bring on the slime! Hey Jeanne and Cotton fans, welcome to the Jeanne and Cotton Show. So today I'm so excited because I'm going to show you guys how to make professional slime. So I'm so excited to do this, and let's get started. So here are the materials you'll need. You'll need a mixing bowl and mixing spoon. Measuring cups are optional, I just have them here. A container for your slime to be in. You can either have white glue or clear glue. You can use Stay Flow or sodium triborate. Glitter and food coloring are optional, so let's get started. We're going to be making liquid glass slime today. So you will need your clear glue. Go ahead and grab that and pour it into your mixing bowl. One thing I forgot to mention is you will need water. And you can use hot water or cold water or room temperature. So now we're going to get our mixing bowl. And it's clear so you guys can see what I'm doing. We're going to open it and we're going to pour it in. Okay. This is about how much I'm going to use. Now you're going to add water. That's what I'm going to use the container for. So I'm going to add about almost 25 milliliters. So, dump it in and stir. And as you can see, you get a ton. I poured that much and I still have that much left. Wow. That is how thick mine is. It's kind of like a syrup. So I am going to use Stay Flow because I want it to be stretchy. Because the sodium triborate makes it not very stretchy. So I'm going to add some Stay Flow. And that also comes in handy with the mixing thing because all you have to do is pour some in. Close the Stay Flow thing up and not have like a tired hand when you're doing it. So pour little bits at a time. So this little piece is just turning into slime. So that's a little weird that nothing else is turning into slime. But yeah, it's still clear. So that's just what I wanted to make sure. It would still be clear if I added the Stay Flow. And you might need a towel. Keep adding your Stay Flow. Oh, that's so cool. And as you can see, it does not take very much. I probably will only use this much, but I might need more. I'm not quite sure. Slimy. keep adding until you get the desired texture. Whenever you think your slime is a good texture to start kneading, then start kneading it. It's pretty nice. And if you have any glitter on your hands or any coloring, take that off your hands or wash your hands because you do not want it to get any on it. And start kneading your amazing slime. This is going to take a little while to get perfectly, clear, but meaning a while, a day or a few days. And if it doesn't stick together, all you have to do is add lotion and it helps it stick. So yeah, adding lotion makes it stickier too and stretchier. So make sure you don't add this a ton at a time because then it will be a sticky mess. I decided that I'm going to change the title to How to Make Liquid Glass Crazy Erin Stinking Putty because this feels like Crazy Erin Stinking Putty. It is so soft and amazing, and I'm going to be doing a tips and tricks on how to make really some tricks and tips. So yes, this is super nice slime, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And remember, it does take a day or two to get totally clear, so if you can, try to stay away from playing with it for a day or two. But then I will do an update on this slime when it's totally clear because it'll be amazing. So yes, I love it. And I know it looks white right now, but trust me, it's going to go clear because you can tell I use clear slime, like clear glue. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And tell me what you think in the comments down below about the slime, and if you want to try it, because I know you do. Bye, everybody.